Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video I'll be showing you a sofa design. A little different from what I've shown you earlier. It is a curved design. Here if you see, we have curve on the handle and the handle is not cushioned this time. We have wood visible. The color is also a little different. This is classical brown with silver highlighting and everything as per the client's requirement. The chair if you see here is very different from the sofa set, and this is the kind of concept when we are breaking the monotony. Monotony means we have everything same, like 3, 2, 1, 1. Everything is going in the same design. Here the sofa, the three-seater is different and the chair is different. And along with this, we also have a table. I'll show you a little later. Let me first give you the sizes of all these things. The three-seater out and out is 6.5 feet, front to back 32 inches, back height is 51 inches. The chair we have here is 4 feet high, left to right 30, front to back 32. I'll sit on the chair and show you the look first and a few things. It has straight back. Generally, we have crown on the chair for the Maharaja look. This is a classical design of chair. And the handle flow, if you see, it has got a flow in the handles going this way. And this is how it looks. Quite spacious. And the seat we have here is removable. It can be removed, and this is the kind of cushion options that we get. If you want fixed seat, we can provide that. If you want 3 parts, 2 parts, we can provide that. The back, as you can see, it has got quilting on the back. You want diamonds, you want buttons, those options are available. So everything in the set, including the size, design, color, fabric, everything is as per the client's requirement. The carving part that you see is all hand carved, and every carved part is highlighted with silver color as per the client's choice. This set is going to Bangalore and we deliver globally. To more than 55 countries we are delivering. Aarsun is an international trademark and we are working and exporting this handcraft product, handmade products across the globe. I'll bring the table now and you'll see the beauty of this table. This is a 4 by 2 feet table. Height is 18 inches and the beautiful work is visible all around. Every side it has got the same carving, and the looks are heavy and is as per the design of the overall set. In sofas these days we have got unlimited choices in terms of sizes, colors, designs, and important thing, fabric, because fabric is one thing that can change the entire look of the set. It is as per the theme of your place. So you have dark background, you want contrasting theme, you want lighter colors, you want double shade like this one. We have damask on the seat and light fabric on the back. The base color is similar. So this can be done. If you want single color, that can be done. You want any other change in the fabric, you have some particular color in mind, let us know. We'll give you options and accordingly we can design the whole set. And home delivery globally. With home delivery, what you get is, you get the brand of Aarsun delivered to your doorstep directly from the company itself. There is no middleman, no trader, no commission agent, and when you don't have extra people, there is always lesser cost. So we provide our furniture at factory price delivered to your home in more than 55 countries. And this is what we are doing for thousands of clients. If you look at testimonial section on our website, you'll find thousands of pictures of the entire bedroom, dining tables, temples, partition screens, swings, sofa sets, almost every furniture of the house, and some very different items also. So you choose what you like. You let us know what is your theme. If you are a designer or an architect and you have something really different in your mind that you're not getting anywhere, try us. Give us a call. Show us your drawing. Show us your thought process or your creativity, and let us complete that, make that, and deliver to your place. Change in design, size, color, fabric, anything that you're looking at is getting done here for thousands of clients across the globe. The number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.